Hey everyone, Emily from Bob's Watches. Welcome to another video guide. On this video, we're talking all about how to clean and care for your Rolex so that you can ensure it stays in tip-top shape. Also, if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos. Addressing anything to do with the mechanics or inside of your watch will require the assistance of a professional. However, from time to time, you may find it necessary to clean the outside of your Rolex. You can always wipe down your watch with a cloth as a way to easily maintain its luster, but it is important to use the right type of material, such as a microfiber cloth that will not scratch your watch's finish. For more thorough cleaning, you can also use soapy water and a soft brush to clean the case and bracelet of your watch. Additionally, anytime you wear your watch in the ocean, it is important to rinse it off with fresh water afterwards to remove any leftover salt, sand, and debris that may still be stuck to it. With that in mind, this should only be done with Rolex watches that feature the brand's waterproof oyster cases. And even then, it is important to make sure that the winding crown is fully screwed down against the case so that moisture does not enter the watch. You can also take the bracelet off your Rolex to make it easier to clean. We have a whole separate tutorial video for how to do this, so be sure to check that out if you're unsure of how to remove your Rolex bracelet. Lastly, for vintage Rolex watches with acrylic crystals, you can actually remove light surface scratches at home, rather than requiring a crystal replacement every time you get a scuff on it. While acrylic is significantly less scratch resistant than sapphire, it can be easily repaired using nothing more than a soft cloth and some polishing compound, such as Polywatch. To do this, simply put a small dot of polish on your crystal, and then apply pressure while rubbing it with a clean, soft cloth for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can repeat this process as necessary to remove more severe scratches. While this will only work for light scratches and scuffs, it is a quick and easy way to maintain the appearance of your watch that does not require any specialized knowledge or tools. Thanks for watching our video on how to clean and care for your Rolex. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on all of our latest video content.